good afternoon, everybody. So I'm AD. So I will share with you our one of our E module. We call it ESS module, Employee Self-Service. So for eLeave, okay. So hold on, let me share my screen now. Okay, amid the current situation of the COVID pandemic, I believe that most of us is actually working from homes. Okay, the ESS module is actually a web-based application, so it's paperless. Okay, online and real time. So, example, let's say the employee right now. Okay, all of us is actually working from home. So if you wish to apply any leave, you can go through this ESS portal to apply your applications, okay? And then of course the approver will receive some of the email notification regarding who is applying leave, something like that. So they can action on the spot and then update it to the iFlexiESS system. So the benefit of the eLeave module is actually, of course, it will be online and real-time flow. So and then help the superior manager to control over the overtimes, okay, shift scheduling costs and maintain the budget, okay. So the feature, of course, will be competency management, immediate leave update and reports. Okay, the one of the main objective is paperless lah, of course. Okay, and then useful leave calendar information that's been the users, the employee themselves, or the supervisor, okay, or the HR personnel can check through over the eLeave folder, rather than they need to open up the system and then only the HR personnel can know who is who will applying leave or key in the system manually. Okay. So this is one of the eLeave, our eLeave screenshot. As you can see, they have leave application edit, okay, change password, and then the others, some of the others approval or the admin functions lah. Okay, so as you can see, the eLeave, we have the leave activity mostly for the users, okay, to apply, modify, or to view my calendars. And then the supervisor menu. So supervisor can actually apply the leave on behalf of their subordinate. So let's say example, some of the foreign workers, okay, they don't have the resource to access the computers, okay, or maybe they're not familiar with the computer system, okay. So the supervisor can actually apply on behalf for them, so that to let the approver or the HR user to make the approval actions, okay. So and then we have plan leave, okay. If you wish to further plan your leave application, it also can be done in the e-portal, okay. Some of the leave general setting and some of the basic report you also can view in the eLeave portal. So as you can see, this is the leave module main page, okay. This is the users viewing. So as you can see, you have a leave status. It will show up the current entitlement, all the leave entitlement taken, okay, any adjustment, all the record. So the user have a glance as well, so that they know that, okay, how many balance I have, so that I can apply how many days, up to 2 days now, okay, maybe, okay. And then the date and the times, and the leave manager categories, report managers, announcement as well. So this is one of the eLeave screens, okay, that user are able to access, okay. And then the leave maintenance. Leave maintenance, that means the companies allows the employee to apply what kind of leave code, okay. Example, maybe the company only allow them to apply or only an annual leave. So as an administrator, you are actually able to define what leave code that user are able to apply, okay. So if only annual leave, Example, only annual leave or maybe the medical leave. So the rest of it, so maybe you can turn it off, okay, so that the user only able to see the two leave code. So annual leave or medical leave, okay. And then the leave document rules, okay. A part of the, before you can apply the leave, actually the company can set some rules. Rules that mean is, okay, let's say example for the annual leave. For the annual leave, you must apply, okay, at once, okay, before 7 days. That means maybe before 1 week, you only can able to apply the annual leave. Within the 1 week time, you are not able to apply. This is so-called the rules, okay. That's so that the company have a control on the all of the leave code rules that which leave code that the user can apply before how many days. Okay, this depends on the company policies lah. So that the company can have the control of this lah. Okay, so as you see, this is the rule condition. Okay, what is the message you want to apply? All these settings, so you can see in the eLeave system as well. Of course, let's say there's an emergency leave. So emergency, some of the leave does not appear in the eLeave system. That means the employee have to be direct to the HR department, okay, to apply all those to mention or let the HR user know that, okay, maybe example for this emergency leave, okay. So if the company decide not to allow the employee to apply the emergency leave in the eLeave portal, so they must direct to the HR department. So the HR users will directly key in the iFlexiESS system. Okay, one more thing, all of the eLeave that apply over the e-portal that have been approved on it will show up in the iFlexiESS system. So all the approval process have been go through on it will show up in the iFlexiESS system. Whoever is pending, progress, or resubmit, it won't show up in the iFlexiESS system. So that only approved one, that means the final one will be, the complete one will be shown in the iFlexiESS system. So, and then this is the leave application screen. Later on, I will show you a glance in our eLeave portal, so that in the portal there, so that you have a more understanding, and then at least you have a idea that how our eLeave look like. Okay, so this apply leave, that means users log in. Of course, the user only able to view their own ID, application, so they are not able to view or apply for others colleague, unless for the supervisor or some of the managers that maybe some subordinate under them only the admin set already, so they can apply on behalf only. So before you update also, so you may have a glance for the your leave entitlement status lah. Okay, this is one of the leave individual calendar. That means the user can view in a month calendar that what is their application status, or maybe the public holiday, so they can plan ahead of their leave for the further months or house. Okay, so okay, this is the leave modify or cancel progress. Okay. Whatever leave one more thing, sorry. Whatever leave have been rejected for the certain date. Let's say example, I'm applying for tomorrow annual leave. So when the approver reject my application for tomorrow, that means I am no longer able to apply for tomorrow again. To be simplified, that whatever date that you apply that have been rejected, we are not able to apply on the same day already. So this is one of the controllings, okay. So you are not able to apply twice for the same day, so that the approval have to reject you or the same twice again for the same day. So, and then this is one of the leave progress that you can view, okay, or supervisors can view. Okay, this is leave application on behalf of the subordinate. So this whatever employee under the supervisor only they can use lah. Okay, of course this is depends on the administrator settings, the initial setup. So this have to be set properly lah. Okay, so as you can see, supervisor can apply leave on behalf of his or her subordinate. The employee number will appear in the top in the drop down list who is under this supervisors. Okay, and then this is the leave approve or reject screens. Okay, of course only the approver will able to approve or reject only. For normal employee or normal users, you are only able to apply, okay, or perhaps the company allows you to edit as well. So this is all the controlling set by the administrator access lah. And then okay, this is the leave approve and reject. For approve, okay, reject or resubmit, okay. For the approve, the reason may is optional, okay. For reject, okay, so approver must enter some reasons why I reject your leave lah. So for approve is the optional one lah. Smith, Kevin, please correct me. Okay, so next, this is the HR manage. Okay, administrator actually allowed to view each employee leave application status at this page lah. Okay, he or she can approve or reject. Okay, if the approver does not take any action for the leave application. Sorry. Okay, and then one more thing. For the approval part, basically the company can choose either you only require one level approval or maybe second level or half. Of course, you have the option you can set the backup approval as well lah. So that means the initial approval they do not take any action within certain period, certain times. So the backup approval will make the action on behalf of them. So this is to prevent that some employee they have made the application, but they keep waiting only there is no action taken by the approvers. Okay, so this is the leave route calendars. Okay, so supervisor can view who is actually on leave, on leave on today's, tomorrow's or house lah. So they will have a glance that they know who is who each day, who is on leave on that particular days. Okay, so we have already some of the sample report, okay, in the e-portal as well. So for the users or perhaps for the supervisor to check on the leave records. Okay, so all this report you can preview and then export to PDF or for more reference lah. Okay, so we can keep it in the computers. Okay, of course in the iFlexi you also can check this report. This is actually a convenience for the employees only. They can check themselves rather than they need to go through the HR, send email to HR, so to check back all their previous record. So they can come in, they can come to this leave report part and then extract all this record at their own conveniences anytime, as long as they have internet access, a laptop PC, so they can access already. Okay, so this is the sample of the leave per month report. So we have two types. One is the per user report. Okay, one is per month report lah. So this is the report that currently the user can extract from the eLeave portal. So I will show you some the sample of our portal, just a glance only. Okay, so that you have an idea of how is our eLeave portal looks like. So where if you are not using never using previously lah. For those customers they have using right now, so I believe they know how is it lah. Okay, as you can see, this is our eLeave portal. So we have a home screen notification. So my user is an approver, so I will actually get all this notification for approve some action I need to take. Okay, announcement. So the admin can actually make some announcement for all the employees. Okay, dashboard. So you can have a glance to view that who is actually on leave by today's law. So this is the eLeave sections, as you can see. So the user can have a view that, okay, what is my entitlement? Okay, and then I want to apply leave over here. This application screen is actually similar with the iFlexiESS form screen. Just that we put the iFlexiESS form screen over the web portal. So it's similar. Okay, but in here you can attach some of the document. Let's say I want to apply for a long leave to go for holiday. So maybe I can attach my air ticket, okay, my hotel booking information, to let the approver know that, okay, so this is my leave application reason, okay, and then my leave balance I can have a glance as well over here. So any pending leave I can view it at my own. So I can check my leave application status. Okay, so this is the leave eLeave portal. Okay, so you choose the leave code, put in the reasons, okay, from when to when, and then you update. Once you click the update, it will send a notification to your approver, and your approver may receive an email notification as well. So when you're under their approval route, okay. So this is the leave, and then the report. So we have two types over here, okay. Leave per user, leave per month. So supervisor menu, okay. So if I am a supervisor, so I may apply on behalf of my subordinate. So it's actually the same, just that I'm able to choose. So whoever under my route, so that I can apply for them. So okay. So any plan leave you want to plan ahead, so you can also apply over here. Okay. Of course, this admin screen only will appear for some of the administrator user ID only. For normal user, so normal employee, okay, they may how to say, maybe the admin can set, okay, for normal user they're only able to view these two. The rest I will close it. So that they're only able to apply or edit. That's all. So the rest only able to access by administrator user IDs. Okay. Our e-portal is actually a premise based. So it will be installed in customer servers. So customer will keep all the data themselves. So any support required, definitely customer can send us an email. So our support assistant will assist the customer to do some troubleshooting over online. Okay, so that's all for my eLeave presentation.